Welcome back, Flare community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. And yes, it is time for a new video with some breaking news from the Flare team. Over on their X account over here, this was actually an old post from the 21st of August, and now we are almost a week since then, and they was talking about the FAsset milestone or cap being reached at 750,000 XRP. This is over on the Songbird network, which recently launched version 1.2 of the FAsset system. So they actually just released a new post today about the minting cap being raised to 1.75 million XRP. So what does this mean? They've increased it by more than double. So it seems like they're on an exponential trajectory. This is incredible news for those who want to test the waters on Songbird exactly as intended before the FAsset system launches on Flare. If you didn't know how this actually works, it's a very simple process. Let's just start with why you may want to mint an FAsset. Historically, XRP holders haven't been able to fully access DeFi due to XRP's limited smart contract capabilities. Flare solves this by enabling users to mint FXRP, a fully collateralized, non-custodial ERC20 version of XRP, minted using the FAsset system. With FXRP, users can lend, borrow, yield farm, and participate in the full range of DeFi activities while retaining ownership of their original XRP. This is how it works, a very simple chart. You've got the XRP ledger here, you've got a minter who mints FXRP, it interacts with the FAsset system, the minter gets their FXRP, and then you can go the other way too. The redeemer can go back through the FAsset system and redeem their XRP. FXRP and XRP are pegged at a 1-to-1 ratio, or they're able to be exchanged, minted, and redeemed at a 1-to-1 ratio. Although, on decentralized exchanges, there may be some fluctuations in price, but arbitrage should keep these ratios somewhere close to 1-to-1. If you didn't know how to actually participate in this, I'm going to leave some links in the description, but here's how you go through the mint and redeem process on Songbird. Now, while this is actually playing, I just want to talk to you about what this means in preparation for the Flare network. Songbird has seen an incredible growth rate. We've just seen it more than double, and I imagine this trend will continue up until the conclusion of the Code Forerunner audit, which ends next month around the 22nd of September. This is the earliest opportunity that we will see FAssets launch on the Flare network, and it's highly dependent on the results from this audit competition. Now, all of this precursor that we're seeing here on the Songbird network, this testing and these caps that are being increased, it's going to allow for a much quicker cap increase over on the Flare network, because the Flare team will have the confidence behind them to know that this protocol is working as expected. This is great news, and yeah, this is the video on how to actually do it. It is over on the channel. I'm going to leave a link to this video here in the description, in addition to where you can actually participate, the applications where you can interact with the FAsset system. So that is it, just a quick update. The minting cap on the Songbird network has been increased to 1.75 million XRP. Great news, and another step in the right direction, and one day closer to seeing FAssets version 1.2 launch on the Flare network. So with that being said, I would like to wish you all an incredible day. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.